temple in honor of the protection of the Holy Virgin Mary and Saint Nina the equal to the Apostles in Zaporizhia city. It is located near the former 700-year-old oak tree and on the Verkhnya Khortytsia River. The church building was opened in July 2004, and its architectural style is defined as Classical Byzantine. The church facade is adorned with a mosaic panel featuring religious motifs and depictions of prominent historical figures from the Cossack era. The building is constructed of red brick, and one of its notable features is a semicircular apse on the northeastern side. On both sides of the church runs a small river, and around it, there is a wooden fence made of round logs and a metal fence with crosses. On the grounds of this historical and cultural center, where the church is located, one can also find bronze sculptures related to the Cossack era. One of them is a composition featuring a falcon, the musical instrument kobza, a traditional embroidered towel, rushnik, and a flask. Next to it stands a wooden figure of a dog, symbolizing the loyal friend and companion of the Cossack. Another bronze statue of the Cossack's loyal companion is a horse. A Cossack without his horse was considered vulnerable, as the horse was not only a means of transportation but also a battle comrade who could find the way home even without a rider. Legend has it that there were cases when a horse carried a wounded Cossack straight to the doorstep of his parents' home. Horses were so highly valued that before a battle, a Cossack might speak to his horse as to a brother-in-arms, saying prayers and making promises, believing their fates were intertwined. All these objects are located near a 700-year-old oak tree. Unfortunately, this year its last living branch fell. However, scientists hope that next spring this oak may produce new young shoots. Now, next to the remnants of the old tree's crown, beautiful new oak trees are growing. The fence around the old 700-year-old oak is decorated with illustrations dedicated to the Cossacks. Next to the oak, there is also a unique pyramid. It symbolizes harmony, spiritual renewal, and the unity of people brought together by the ideals of goodness, truth, love, and conscience. In the nearby clearing, you can see a sundial, 12 stones arranged in a circle and one tall pillar in the center. The central pillar is often used to tell the time by the shadow cast by the sun. Also in this area, there are wooden watchtowers built in the style of those used by the Cossacks to observe the surrounding area. Another feature of the complex is a well styled in the Cossack style. Stone statues known as Palovtsian Babas, brought here in 2005, await visitors at the exit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like.